Hey gun people, Mr. F&H back at it again. Hey gun people, Mr. F&H back at it again. I'm on the range today with my good buddy Steve. He was gracious enough to host me today. We're going to do some shooting. He's got a channel. It's a lifestyle channel. He does a lot of camping, a lot of outdoor nature hiking. Might even be some good photography stuff in there, folks. I need you to get over, like, favorite, and subscribe to this guy. Let's build his channel up. We're going to be on the range today doing a little bit of shooting with the Smith & Wesson Shield, the 9mm. As you can see, we've each got one. This one's got the Crimson Trace green laser.
And this one is brand new.
Brand new. We're going to see how these shoot right out of the box. Mine's had quite a bit of shooting. This one's almost brand new. Let's check it out. Good to go?
Good to go.
All right, here we go. Let's see how this thing shoots. Oh! Always helps if you try that thing. Oh, look at that accuracy. Putting them right in there. Oh, missed one. So we're just shooting, it's just some Zev ammo, 124 grain NATO spec. It seems like some pretty hot stuff and it's been reliable. It's FMJ brass case. It was really cheap by the case. Here we go. I'm trying to headshot him. Got one more magazine. Nice. Well. Beautiful. All right. What do you think, Steve? What are your initial impressions?
I really like the way it fits in my hand. I shot a lot of different guns, and this one just really fit my hand really well.
What's the recoil impulse like? Is it soft shooter, hard, heavy hitter?
Didn't seem too bad, no.
Yeah? What are your plans with this?
Just going to be kind of a personal protection, some range shooting, and
A little bit of concealed carry maybe over the road?
yeah.
Hell yeah!
I don't have a concealed carry license yet, but planning on getting one.
Hell yeah! Good deal, buddy. Good shooting.
All right.
All right, we've got some Fiocchi XTP 147 grain hollow points loaded up, guys. Let's go out here and give this thing a little bit of reliability test and a little bit of an accuracy test.
All right.
Let's go check this guy out. Look at this beautiful range. I'm really blessed today, guys. I think we were just right about in here. Going hot.
All right.
Locked open on the last shot. Good deal. There we go. We hit him. He's a dead sucker. Don't mess with Steve, guys. He's a badass.
All right.
All right. We're See, we got a little bit of a CCI Blazer. This is 115 grain brass cased ammo, full metal jacket. If I didn't already say that, we're gonna see how this runs. Long in the Shield, but she sure does shoot, sweet guys. Well, go ahead and tell me what your experiences are with the Shield down in the comments below. And let me know how Steve's doing as a shooter. Thanks, guys. We'll see you next time.